Good morning. He's like, no, Mom. I don't want to do anything today. Huh? All right. Well, we can't just sit here all day, Jax. Hey. He just literally, his head went straight into my knee right now. He probably has a headache. Come here. Come here. Good morning. It is Thursday. Yes, today's Thursday is my day off. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Here's my gym attire. I got these from Sam's Club. Yeah, because in Yuma we don't have a Costco, but we have a Sam's Club, so it's the same thing. Huh. Okay, so I just got back from the gym, and I'm so tired. But, yesterday, it was Markham's turn to do dishes. So here's all the dishes that are drying right now. So I'm gonna put those away, clean up the stove a bit, clean up some whatever. And it's clean! And these are just drying over here, but look at how clean our kitchen can be. These are towels I need to wash, just hand towels. I also need to wash him, he's dirty. Our living room. A little unorganized, I'm gonna clean that up, right? Are you ready? You ready to go for a walk? There they are, and they always pull her so hard because her dogs see Jax. Jax sees him and he's whining. Who is that, Jax? Oh. So funny. What is Alright, we're leaving the dog park because Jax is just meanie. Jax is
and Kiko.
Yeah, the two little dogs are just mean. Oh gosh, I'm running into into trees. Alright.